What up, Creative Hustle fam? I really want to have a strong conversation with you guys. I know I've been gone from Creative Hustle because I've been working on my main venture. This is where I shoot. This is my A-roll set. Matter of fact, let me take you guys over here. For those of you who don't know, my main channel is CJ Unplugged, and I've been going in hard on my tech channel because I'm trying to grow that. I'm trying to expand that. I'm trying to give it a certain set of foundation and legs so that I could bloom out into these other ventures such as Creative Hustle and help share a lot of my business mind and my business ventures. So today I want to talk about manifesting your life. Like, hold on, wait. Okay, so today I want to talk about how to manifest money. All right, let's get this on here. Let's get this set up. My neighbor just started cutting their grass as soon as I turned this camera on. It was quiet, but whatever. We're going to keep it real because the information is all that matters here. How to manifest your millionaire venture, how to manifest your entrepreneurial life, how to become an entrepreneur. That's the main thing I want to talk about today, is like sharing, there's always this is the physical way. You can do this venture, this is how you set up this store, this is how you sell this and all that. But that doesn't always guarantee the monetary gain that you want to see. A lot of it is in manifestation. A lot of it is in seeing yourself doing what it is that you're trying to do. A lot of it is having the right mindset and belief. A lot of people don't believe in themselves. They'll say it all day in front of other people, because who will ever say, I don't believe in myself, to other people? It takes a lot of guts, a lot of balls to actually fess up and own that truth. Because it's the truth for a lot of us. There's a lot of times where I don't believe 100% fully in what I'm trying to do, and we all do it. I'm human. I could be honest, open, and real about that. It's the people who aren't being open, honest, and real about that, that's the problem. So you're not always gonna feel confident. There's some days where or some months where it ain't as sweet as other months. But I have to have confidence to be like, you know what? I can get through this month and I can get to the next month. All that stuff. You have to believe in yourself. Faith is everything. Faith is everything. Confidence. Not caring about what people say. I don't care what any other negative-minded person has to say in their mind or in the comment section or about me to someone else, period. I'm winning, and I'm going to continue to win. I'm not even winning where I am capable of winning. That's the whole point of me, want to have this conversation and talk about this, because, I'm realizing, whoa, I spent a lot of time worrying about left, right, up, down, blah, 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 when all that matters is now, this moment, and how can I set myself up to manifest the lifestyle, the 6 figures, the millionaire lifestyle, the entrepreneur lifestyle that I really want to live. I even told, the dope thing, when I was speaking to my father, and I think I kind of was speaking on, or asking him something about, where I am or how I got here or whatever. And, he told me that I told him a long time ago that I didn't want to work for anybody. I didn't even remember that. But that's always been my attitude. It's always been my gut. It's been in me to feel that way. I've always wanted to have my own business. I've always wanted to do big things. What you guys are seeing, even on the CJ Unplugged and this is not where I'm fully. It's not the finish line by no way, shape, or form. You guys don't understand. That's why when people congratulate me or something, I'm like, oh, all right. But the number is so much bigger and the achievement is so much bigger in my mind. But it takes a lot of confidence, a lot of belief in oneself. Consistent belief, consistent confidence, because it goes up and down. You're human. You're emotional. You feel things. You can change your mind, but sometimes you got to change it back. You got to stay on track. That's really how you manifest an entrepreneurial lifestyle of making 6 figures or becoming a millionaire. The next goal is millionaire status, for real. I hit my first 6-figure year, about to do it again. But I want to, now it's once you hit that, it's oh, this is what it is. What's the next level? At least for me. Let's double that, triple that. Let's 10x that. 10x, baby, come on. So I'm gonna be doing more content here on Create a Hustle. I gotta find my pockets to create here. That's basically what it comes down to. But I want to have a conversation because I'm like really invested in like speaking real, straight truth. I'm gonna talk about a lot of things here, and I think eventually there will be possibly like a vlog channel for me and things like that. I got so many things I want to do. You guys don't even understand. So many different ventures and things like that. But Create a Hustle is a place where I just want to have open financial conversations about money, mindset, manifestation, you know, spirituality, not in religion or anything like that, but I mean like the spirituality of being positive and turning those positive thoughts and positive thinking into a positive life, because that's how I really believe in, that's how I live it. So for those of you out there who really want to become an entrepreneur, you really want your life to become, you know, an entrepreneur lifestyle. It's not just about the money for you, it's really about the life and the challenges of it, because it's a challenge. You gotta be consistent. You gotta put points on the board every month, every day, every week, every year, consistently back to back to continue to maintain this lifestyle. And you gotta keep expanding. You gotta be willing to grow. You can't become complacent in no way, shape, or form. So that's why I'm just kind of having this conversation. It's a conversation with you guys that I'm having with myself in my mind, and this is how it works. You know, surrounding yourself around people doing better than you, and people who are on your level, or even if they are below your level or where you are, but have the same mindset, thinking, goals, and outlook on life as you. That's extremely important. I can't even stress enough how much that matters, because you know who you surround yourself around, you have to be very cautious and guard that. You know, I'm the type of person, like I don't believe in like quote unquote friendships and associations. Like I take you into my personal space as my family. Like I ain't got time for all that. I don't got time for the fake. This is why I don't really mess around with a lot of people, because I ain't got time for the nit for tat, the jealousy, the fakeness, the BS, the time it takes for you to be faking, and then I find out down the road that you're not real or you're not this. I don't got time for that. Like that's why I like open, honest, like 100% transparent people, because that's how I am. Like I'm very blunt, and I'll tell you exactly how it is. So you can't be sensitive around me. You know what I mean? You can't be soft around me. Also, I give it up. I give up info and stuff. But, you know, some people aren't worth that. Like, just a simple fact. Like, it is what it is. You can't help everyone. Everyone's not worth your positivity, your energy. Everyone's not good for you. So, you want to become an entrepreneur. You want to work for yourself, and you want to have success at it. Manifest. Mindset. Focus. Consistency. My name is CJ. This is Create a Hustle. I promise you guys, eventually I'm going to find my ebb and flow in my pocket on this channel to be able to share it, and we could grow together. We grow our bank accounts together. We'll grow our manifestations together. We'll grow our positivity together. We'll grow our businesses together. That's the whole goal of Create a Hustle. So get out there and create your hustle right now.
I put in work, you know I'm up to get it. Early bird gets the worm and the Yankee fitted. Like whoa, bags under my eyes and you know, won't complain, I'm tired, I'm on go. For that grip, 10 toes till they swole. For that grip, 10 toes till they swole. Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign.